yes people, as you can see by the title of this video, we are going to be fitting an F1 style LED brake light to the rear diffuser of the Audi S3. So this modification, I think it looks pretty nice. I've seen it on other cars. When it comes to this modification, I could have went down two roads. I could have went down the expensive road and actually bought myself an LED F1 style rear diffuser for the S3, which would have cost much more, from about £380 up to about 400, once you include in all shipping charges and whatnot. Or there's the cheaper option, which will be buying an LED light myself and getting it installed to the diffuser that I have already on the S3. Obviously I've gone for the cheaper option to save myself some money, but no doubt once it's installed and all wired up, it's going to be looking neat. Trust me, I don't have any doubts about that whatsoever. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go link bro and we're going to get this installed. But people, before we go any further, please remember, if you like videos like this, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff. And if you could do that for me, please, I will be very much grateful. But yes, for now, let's get straight to the video.
Does it for Right, so which one?
Solid one, isn't it? Solid brake line.
That one?
Yeah.
Cool.
So what's that one? That is this got?
That is the red. Yeah, red. So it's just the black and the red you need. Leave the yellow out.
Okay.
The yellow one is the flashy one. So now I've just got to find out what is what at the back.
The screwdriver, so that's where you're going to thread it through, bro, yeah?
Yeah.
You just put a little screwdriver there just as a marker, so
underneath the car.
That's where it's pierced, so that's where the wire's going to be going through, getting threaded through. go, yeah?
Yep.
So, obviously we've put in fuse.
Yep.
Why did we need to put this in for anybody watching this thinking rather than have it connected to the brake light?
Because the car's already sort of like got its own wiring system set up, and you're tapping off the car's wiring with a third party accessory. So just to protect the system, if anything went wrong with the accessory, it should blow the fuse, so it shouldn't do anything to your circuit that your brake lights are on.
Okay, so in short, this is the proper way to do it.
Yeah, if you didn't have it on there, if something went wrong with the light, it could blow the fuse for your brake lights. Even though there's nothing wrong with your brake lights, it could be something wrong with the light that you've installed. So if anything went wrong, it should blow the fuse here, which then you know it's something wrong with the brake light that you've installed.
Okay. Yes, bro. Thanks again, man.
Yep.
Brilliant stuff. People, so as you can see, that was the finished look of the F1 brake light, fitted to the stock rear diffuser of the S3. I've gone for the cheaper option. I've bought the LED light myself and asked bro to install it. As you can see, people, it looks pretty nice little feature. It's very visible from far, very visible in the daylight, nighttime, gloomy day like today. But as you can see, I've gone for the solid brake light on mine. I didn't want it flashing, and that's that, and that's what I've gone for. So people, if you like videos like this, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Not only that, big up bro for installing the LED F1 brake light as well. So if you want to go for the cheaper option like me and save yourself some money, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the LED F1 brake light. But people, that's it for this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. And we will catch up for the next one. Take care, stay safe. Till then, cool.